Good afternoon. First five. First game of the night.
First game, PNP Saravia versus Duexam.
PNP Saravia versus Duexam. Ako subong ang scorer. Good afternoon sa tanan nga viewers. Ang first game of the night is PNP Saravia versus Duexam. First five na! First five!
O first five.
First five na! Di nang bulan nyo? Di man naamo? Good afternoon, guys. Shout out kay baby Daniela Nining. Mayong hapon. How to be yours. Kunuhalin sa pinakagwapo sang NMEC Light Chapter Manang Cave. Shout out baby Daniela Nining. Mayong hapon. Tatlo taka games. Kaluyan hindi magulan sa buong hapon. Kay bagot kami washing. Ball for PNP Saravia.
So block 18 seconds.
Whoop! And dumastil pa. Block.
Foul. Foul number 10. That is first personal foul. First team foul.
Foul agad. Free throw for number 21. Wala. Second throw. Basket.
Second throw, basket. Remaining time 9 minutes and 25 seconds.
Oop! Another.
Basket. Good for two. Score 3-0 in favor of PNP.
Oop! Rebound for PNP Saravia. And steal.
Remaining time 9 minutes.
For Duexam.
Shot clock 16 seconds. Shot clock 12.
Oy!
Remaining time 8 minutes and 45 seconds. There's a foul.
There's a foul.
Foul number 10.
Nantaman, mo ka press.
30 second personal foul. Second team foul. First throw basket. Score 4-0 in favor of PNP.
4-0 for PNP Saravia. Basket again.
Last throw basket.
Shout out JP Domrique from Team Globe. Shout out JP Domrique. Basket.
Basket. Good for two. Shot clock 16 seconds.
Rebound for the exam.
Remaining time 8 minutes and 15 seconds.
8:15 remaining. First quarter pa lang kita.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Shout out da sa taga Puyas.
25 basket. Good for 2.
Nga galantaw da. Shout out sa mga taga Puyas.
PNP. Shot clock 15 seconds.
Alin kay Saudi Pujadera.
Shot clock 8 seconds. 18 basket. Good for 2. Score 7-4 in favor of PNP.
Shout out anda kay Andro Umapas for MVP. Halin kay Gary Garbosa.
Outside. Shot clock 14 seconds. By number 10.
Wale 7 na ang score.
Score 7 all. Remaining time 7 minutes.
Madam, good evening, sir. Good evening kay Gillen Espinosa Quinto.
Shot clock 6 seconds.
Good evening.
5.
Rebound for the exam.
Remaining time 6 minutes and 45 seconds. Outside. PNP ball.
Out of bounds.
Score 7 all. Remaining time 6 minutes and 25 seconds.
6:25 remaining on the first quarter. Number 14, nag-atake. Game pass ha. Ano yan?
7.
16, Teres. Short. Ball for the exam.
There's a foul. Foul number 8.
And there's a foul.
Number 8 first. Personal foul. First team foul.
First team
Remaining time,
foul.
6 minutes and 5 seconds.
6 minutes, 5 seconds remaining on our first quarter. Tres! Wala. And rebound for the exam. May ano ko sa bowlers. Pasing siya, ginalaran. Monday lang ko da. There's a foul again.
There's a foul.
Shout out kay Nico Villanueva. Nga gahampang, di kami ka-watch kay wala ka. Sorry, kid. May kontrata ko bisa the bowlers. Sorry, kid, guys. Wally City pa rin ang score. Roque umatake.
Number
Basket.
8. Basket. Good for 2.
Abanse na ang Duexam.
4-9-7 in favor of Duexam. Outside. Duexam ball. Remaining time 5 minutes and 5 seconds.
No worries, madam. Pa-shout out kay
Shot clock 15
Magnin.
seconds.
Sabat sang.
Shot clock 12. Outside. PNP
Magnin
ball.
Espinosa, Magnin Espinosa. Shout out rin kay Gillen Espinosa, Quinto. Magnon Espinosa.
Shot clock 16. Shot clock 12. 10.
Pass!
9.
Basket.
Basket. Good for 2.
Wallace 9.
4-9 all.
Pa-shout out please,
Remaining
madam.
time 4 minutes and 15 seconds.
From Gillen Espinosa, Quinto. Basket.
Number 10. Remaining time 4 minutes.
12-9 ang score for Duexam.
Shot clock 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. There's a foul. Foul number 44.
Thank you. You're welcome. Good. No problem. Only shots.
First personal foul, fourth team foul.
Wala. First
Remaining
row.
time, 3 minutes and 50 seconds.
Second row. For PNP Saravia, number 21 on the free throw line. And up.
There's a
Foul.
foul.
Uy,
Foul number
yabi
18.
mo. Kagagagid bala
Rating
no?
first personal foul, second team foul.
Pero may ka na lang gid dyan. Madula man. No ka
Score
naman.
9-12 in favor of Duixa. Shot clock 15. Offensive foul number 44.
Offensive foul for number 44. Ball for PNP Saravia.
Number 44.
9-12 on
Second
score.
foul.
9-12.
Number 14, basket. Good for 2. Remaining time 3 minutes and 20 seconds.
11-12 ang score
Shot clock 15.
for Duexam.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 5 seconds.
Whoop!
There's a foul. Foul number 10. That's his third personal foul.
Ano nga ba siya? Ako tulong sa ano mo?
Penalty.
12-11 for Duexam. Free
Remaining
throw.
time 3 minutes.
Wala. First row. 11-12 ang score for Duexam. Second row for PNP Saravia, number 14. Basket.
Last row basket.
Wallace 12 ang score.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 55 seconds.
Hindi ko ka-shout out niya kung score. Artlis Flores, shout out. Dramanta niya, pang naman ba doon namin. Daya pa slide. Oh, out of bounds.
Doing some more.
Jongi.
Remaining time 2 minutes
Mayong
and
hapon.
30 seconds.
Oy! Wala! Rebound for PNP Saravia. And basket.
Basket. Good for 2.
14-12 na. Abansi na.
14-12.
Ang PNP Saravia. And score.
Basket. Good for 2.
Wallace.
2 minutes.
And rebound for Duexam. Nice pass.
Number 8, basket. Good for 2.
16-14 ang score. Mr. Photogenic ka ba lang?
40 seconds.
Kalain ko.
Oh, score ready ka.
May kampang.
Score 16-14.
Na, sila tang wag. Di po. Tawag ko to.
There's been 16 seconds.
Muscle cramps dyan po. Mga gunda gamay mo. Kalain ko.
Eh, ang tasid.
Remaining time 1 minute and 25 seconds.
Preso lang inom ko.
16-14. Rebound for Duexam. Uy! And steal again for
Remaining time 1
Duexam.
minute and 10 seconds.
And another steal for PNP Saravia. Nice pass.
Number 14,
Basket.
Good for 2.
Wallace 16. Nice score. Thank you, guys.
Duexam. Remaining time 1 minute.
Score ready blue na yun.
Score 16 all.
Kay God live kung di ko ka...
Kaya, di po gana. Mabalik lang ko. Masugat ko yan kay ma'am. Magbalik.
Jab! Dali di jab! Score ready dali yun. Wallace, this is size.
Baseball.
Dali ko.
Remaining time 1 minute.
Madagdag na karon. Joe Dumrique. JP Dumrique. Okay, Joe. Joe exam. Rebound for the exam again. Wala. Isa pa again. And block. Out of bounds.
Outside, do exam ball. Shot clock 16 seconds. Remaining time 50 seconds. Shot clock 12.
Tres. Short. Ball for PNP line. Whoop. Uy. And rebound for the exam.
35 seconds remaining time. Shot clock 16.
Uy. And another block.
Shot clock 12.
Nagagaway.
9.
Nice pass. Wala pa. And another one. Wala sa giyapon. Rebound. Oh.
There's a foul. Foul number 25. Remaining time 16 seconds. Penalty.
16 seconds remaining on our first quarter penalty.
25 first personal foul. Score 16 all.
Wallace, this is size and score.
Remaining time 16 seconds.
And wala. Awas pa. Last throw. And basket.
Last throw basket.
Nice job.
15 seconds.
Good job.
16, 16, 17, 17.
10, 9, 8,
17, 16.
7, 6,
4.
4, 3, 2, 1, time. And the first quarter score 17-16 in favor of PNP.
And the first quarter ang score 16-17 for PNP Saravia. Oh, second five na yun. Yan na po uway. Huwag na po uway. Second five agad. Hindi na si Sir Colin.
Can't keep me down. Lost my thoughts, feel like I could drown. No, no. Can't have it.
Orat sa gali, oh.
Deep below the ground. I go. Right here sound. All on my own. I can hear it now. One note. So my heart pounds. Cause I don't understand what happens now. Oh no. I'm blessed in peace. Leave behind a lesson me. Working hard to better me. Looking back, I'll never be. Let's go. Recklessly. Fighting to forget it's me. I feel inside it's best to win. But I just wanna let me down. I'm looking at myself right now. The mirror nearly breaks itself. I'm screaming out cause I need help. And you're the one that let me down. I'm looking at myself right now. The mirror nearly breaks itself. I'm screaming out cause I need help. I tried to forget, you held me back soon as we met. You were always scared of what happens next. I'm prepared to regret, I'm upset. Cause I wasted time, I sat in the face when I should have lied. I stopped with the chase and forgot the grind. I feel out of place at the inside. You thought I'd never be, won't amount to anything. Had me doubting everything, you only knew a lesser me. You're now my enemy, wish you never.
Kondisyon na si Rolly yan eh, madam. Kondisyon na sa. Mayo ba? Huwag pa man di sila.
Second
Ball
quarter.
for PNP Silay. Start of our second quarter.
Shot clock 18 seconds. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 12.
Hindi kami kailangan tao. Consolation versus Nicole. Wala kami doon. Sorry, good guys.
There's a foul.
Nasun kontrata.
That is first personal foul, first team foul.
May kontrata kami sa ballers, guys. Sorry, good.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Op! Uy! Sorry, good
There's a
guys.
foul number 6.
Pasensya gid sa mga taga-kinalaran nga kapangita sa hapon. Sorry gid kay may ano ko di may gani.
Shot clock 16 seconds. Shot clock 12.
Bas.
Number 1 basket. Good for 2.
Dai ka budlay siya mo dok-dok.
Score 19-16 in favor of PNP.
And basket.
Good for 2.
6, 17, 19.
Remaining
Ay,
time 8 minutes and 50 seconds.
Sorry gid guys sa mga taga-ginalaran. Nason, ang next na liga pwede niyo ko makontrata. Para ara ko perme.
Shot clock 13 seconds. Number 8 basket. Good for 2. Remaining time 8 minutes and 20 seconds.
21-18 ang score.
Good for 2.
21-20.
Score 21-20 in favor of PNP. Shot clock 15. Remaining time 8 minutes.
Ay! Nabuyan.
Outside. Shot clock 14.
Oop!
There's a foul. Foul number 6. Second personal foul.
20-21 ang score for PNP Sarabia. First free throw, wala. Second basket.
Basket.
22-20 ang score for PNP Sarabia. 22-20.
Remaining time 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Shot clock 15.
Wow!
There's a foul.
Thank you, sir.
Number 6. First personal foul, third team foul. Shot clock 19 seconds. Robin. Score 22-20 in favor of PNP. 7 minutes remaining time. There's a foul. Foul number 6. Second personal foul.
Ang baga ni Jong, dito tani dire man sila kuno dason kay ko namin dito no slide yo. Wow, for PNP Sarabia! Wow! Kanami pa naman tanya. Uy, wala pa yapon. And another one basket.
Good for 2.
Up!
Foul number 0.
Susi number 0.
Number 0,
Ano
first
po yan?
personal foul. Second team foul. Remaining time. 6
Second
minutes
quarter
and
na kita,
33
second
seconds.
quarter. First free throw, wala. Free throw for do exam. Basket.
Last throw basket.
21-24 ang score
6 minutes and 30
for
seconds.
PNP Sarabia.
Shot clock 15. Shot clock 10. 9. 8.
Ikaw nga ka na po, no ka ba mo? Ipos pap. Ipos role. Din ka na ya.
Foul number 0.
Yes, papi.
Second personal foul.
Comment sa, ay wala pa siguro ay.
Third team foul.
Dodi, ako man pa, di ka na pa.
55 seconds.
Wala. Rebound for PNP Sarabia. Umatake. Basket.
Good for 2.
26-21 ang score. Ang sungat ni Rolly do. Uy, lapaw, isa pa. Wala, isa. Uy, rebound for PNP Sarabia.
25 seconds.
Uy!
Number 1 basket. Good for 2. Line out. Rolexa. Score 28-21 in favor of PNP Sarabia.
28-21 ang score.
Sa bench ka nagmayo.
28-21. Kako nyo yung nasal, guys. Peace out. Barato, nilisaw nila. Tag-tatlo ba yung lang? Siya, anya ka madamay doon sa... Gusto yung ginaguro, i-upload ko mo. Hindi ka magsala-sala sa on-roll eh, kaya upload ko, ged. Sige, yaged. Martin, nalipat kami, alas ko, di ba si mo?
Ay, nasave mo na sa kalaring mo.
Nasave mo man? Ah. Hindi ka magsala-sala sa akon. Gusto mo gid-guro, i-upload ko. Gumalayo.
Shot clock 15 seconds. Robles. Remaining time 5 minutes and 5 seconds.
Oy!
Outside. Score 28-21 in favor of PNP.
Hindi ka magampang i-upload ko gid sige agad lang. Rebound for PNP Sarabia.
35 seconds.
Hop! Wala! Pati ka, Joey. Bus Joey, pati ka. Sa permit sa balareng. Basket! 23-28 ang score for PNP Sarabia. And basket.
Basket.
30-23.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 5 seconds.
Uy!
Outside.
Bor! Aboy, bor!
Score 30-23.
Shout out madam kay boss Martin Gamboa, Sir Martin Gamboa, shout out. Halin kay Bragart Renel Arazo. Kabalo na ko ay.
Shot clock 16 seconds.
Whoop! Uy, short. Kanugon. Bover do exam, umatake na buyan.
Shot clock 15.
Umatake sa liwat and there's a foul.
Foul.
Uy, kamambot si.
Foul number 8. Number 8, first personal
Par,
foul.
guys, subong dam. Din ta, kabalo ka na.
Team foul. Shot clock 14 seconds.
Bal, ano na karoon pa kung din tayo dyan, dali ng ating mga paa.
8. Basket.
Basket!
Number 88. Remaining time
25-30 ang score.
10 seconds. Score 30-25 in favor of...
Ay! Up, up, up. 25-30.
16. First personal foul. Penalty.
Ano, may kabutsi ka, ano ka na, kid all.
Ano saan?
Kabungag, dalang good ko yun. Pero okay, makakain na sal.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 3 seconds.
First free throw, wala.
Last throw, basket.
26-30 ang score.
Remaining time 3 minutes.
Ay,
Shot clock 15.
ha?
Shot clock 12. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Rest! Basket!
By number 1. Score 33.
Madam good you shout out to brother Coley, eat Arazo, and happy birthday, take care always. Safe.
Remaining time 2
Shout
minutes
out
and
to
25
brother Nair.
seconds.
Shout out to Liit Arazo. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Good evening, Madam Pikachu. Hi, Mar. Kato na di, Mar. Uy! Why pa kanugon?
Remaining time 2 minutes.
Up! Double dribble.
Double dribble. Remaining time 2 minutes.
Paano? Spray.
Ano sa pangi?
26-33 ang score for PNP
1
Sarabia.
minute and 55 seconds remaining time. Shot clock 16.
Nami ka sapatos.
Rumbling.
Hindi, wait. Okay.
Remaining time 1 minute and 50 seconds.
Hopefully, hindi mag-ulan. Hopefully, hindi mag-ulan, guys.
Shot clock 16.
Ay! Short. Rebound for PNP Sarabia again.
12.
Mara na, wala together sa foul.
Foul number 10. First personal foul. Fourth team foul. Remaining time 1 minute and 30 seconds.
26-33 ang score. 26-33.
Score 33-26 in favor of PNP.
And wala! Rebound for PNP Sarabia. Basket! 3 points. 36-26 na. 36-26 ang scope. Ay!
Outside, PNP ball. Remaining time 1 minute and 10 seconds.
36-26 ang score for PNP. Ay!
Number 1, basket.
No! Yung tapos ka. Tapos ba? Puro
55
nilis pa.
seconds.
Tay.
Ano?
50 seconds.
Dalom!
Uy! Wow!
44 seconds. Shot clock 20.
26-38 for PNP Sarabia.
Shot clock 20 seconds.
Second quarter. Oy! Ay!
40 seconds.
Paano di mala sa ulo?
Oh, harog!
Nice! Wala man! Kasi nakampa ko po!
Foul. Foul number 18. Shot clock 18 seconds.
26-38.
Shot clock 14.
Isa pa. Basket.
15 seconds remaining time.
26-40 na ang score. 26-40.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
And basket.
4, 3, 2,
end of the second quarter.
And the second quarter score 40-28 in favor of PNP.
PNP, Saravia avance.
Picture tapos dito kay Jason. Jason. Case. Case.
Naka.
Ano kaya ba? Maglalo ko loro. Hindi na tayo pula. Inom yun. Tumira mo.
End of our second quarter, 28-40 ang score. 28-40. 12. Ngita pa ko kung di na akong cellphone. Baka gagawin. Hindi lang nga wala, may mega chat sa akon.
Wala mo gagawin nga. Alam mo yun.
Na.
Mag-chat si mo. Kaya mo. Sa Gcash yun.
Correct. Send Gcash para sa aking reply mo na.
Look nice. Water!
Si look nice.
Look nice. Magalang din yun.
Di ay Friday, gali subong.
Di, sana yun. Ito si Mama. Oh, dito sa iba kami. Friday.
28-44. Uy.
Saan sa ako picture isa?
Raymond.
Saan sa ako picture?
My dear na.
Ano mo ulit? Saan sa ako?
Third quarter. Sa iluwa ng job ang score ko. Parang hindi ka magsala. 40-28. Nga, may kilabot sa'yo.
Shot clock 16 seconds.
$40-28 ang score for PNP Saravia. Nga, income.
Shot clock 15.
Sugayaw ba? Napasugtan sa sayo, yung sugayaw.
Number 8, basket.
Third.
Score 40-13 in favor of PNP.
30-40 ang score.
Ulang na ito. Dalang di na lang lang.
Number 8. Second personal foul. First team foul.
Buti hindi ko
Shot
kalala.
clock 20 seconds.
Hindi ko kalala dahil.
Shot clock 15. Outside. 9 minutes remaining time.
Ang harao. Hindi ko kabalo.
Shot clock 18 seconds.
Madamang map na ko da. PM lang ko ah.
Shot clock 12.
Pio ah.
10. 9. 8.
Basket!
Basket. Good for 2.
42-30 ang score.
Remaining time 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Shot clock 9. Basket. Good for 2 for number 15.
Sakit na muli. Chico, good evening. Sa may sagatan, da sa nga itong live, basi may free stars, baka mo pwede nyo Uy! 3 points!
Remaining time 8 minutes. Score 45-32 in favor of PNP. Shot clock 15 seconds.
Diyan, hindi ka na. May kilo.
By number 10.
Balos!
Remaining time 7 minutes and 14
Ay!
seconds. Foul number 8. Third personal foul. Second team foul.
Third nyo siya?
Remaining time 7 minutes and 35 seconds.
Kulang man ang PNP house, sir.
Score 45-35 in favor of PNP.
Isa pa.
Shot clock 14.
Bas.
Number 12 basket. Good for 2.
$37-45 ang score.
Shot clock
Chico.
15.
Oh, boss, good pa. Sa ako gabi. Sa manila po.
9, 8,
Uy!
Rebound. Dagan. Sa.
remaining time 7 minutes.
Tira.
Shot clock 15.
Uy!
Number 12 basket. Good for 2.
39-45 ang score. In favor of PNP Sarabia.
Shot clock 16 seconds.
Dasig sila nakabawag na.
Shot clock 12.
Uy!
10.
Uy!
Foul. Foul number 4. Time out. PNP.
Bato ito yun ha? Gusto nila mag-push. Huwag lang. Wala lang hangin.
Number 4.
Hangin na.
Personal foul.
Dalitin ako nyo.
First team foul.
Okay, pag siya kawin na naman sa ilawas ko.
Hindi po. May pang tsaka makatilaw sa mo na. Bagsat ng roses. Yain.
Kita ko lawas siya.
Ginasuhot na sa katsangaw di ay.
Play ball.
Di ako lang isa nag-ubos ang akong inasal. Kung sa nagkaon bala, ano na.
First row basket.
Lahangin. Para nang ka kundi yun oh.
Bilang danay, bila. Mampa magkayong enemy po. Basket!
First row basket. Score 47-39 in favor of PNP. Remaining time 6 minutes and 20 seconds.
Hey!
Foul basket. Foul number 16.
Gago mo. Schedule naman ta.
Number 16, second personal foul. Third team foul. There's a foul. Foul number 8. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Remember, you got pukul na third quarter. Third quarter na ito sa bulan.
Mano, ay oh, third party.
Remaining time 6 minutes and 10 seconds.
Na 3 minutes ko mo. Noon cut.
10, 9,
Roba ulay diya.
remaining time 5 minutes and 55 seconds.
Hey!
There's a foul. Foul number 99. personal foul, 4 team fouls.
47-41 ang
Remaining time,
score.
5 minutes and 45 seconds.
Nami to dito sa loob po na. Sir na.
Shot clock 16 seconds. Shot clock 14.
Tres! Rebound for PNP Sarabia. Up!
12, 10, 9, 8, 7,
Up! There's a block.
Five.
Oy! Another block.
3, 2, 1.
Nice defense for Duexam. Uy!
Basket, 2 for 2.
Pa, let's see.
Remaining time, 5 minutes.
Oh. Sulit dito.
Remaining time, 4 minutes and 50 seconds.
47-43 ang score. For PNP Sarabia, 4 na lang.
14. Shot clock 10, 9.
Bam! 47-46 na.
Score 47-46 in favor of PNP.
Isa na lang.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 20 seconds.
Ubahan na lang danay bayo mo.
Four minutes remaining time.
Basket.
Basket. Good for 2.
Abanse na ang Duexam 48-47. Ang score. For 3 minutes.
Foul number 15.
Andito na siya.
Wala lang hangin.
Andito na siya.
Personal foul. Third team foul.
Basket. Wales, 48.
48 all.
Ayan na. Isang camera. Basket.
Last throw basket.
48-49.
Outside.
48-49 for PNP Sarabia. 48-49.
Shot clock 16.
Basket.
16 basket. Good for 2.
51-49.
And 15 seconds.
Ay, 48. 51-48 ang score. Ay! Short.
Shot clock 9 seconds.
Yan.
Shot clock 9 seconds.
Ay, tarap. Ay, alam. Official time out. Simpor. Apa yang mana?
Dali lang ah. Tama na yung lang hangin ba araw-araw ka naman mo yung time out na na kay trapuhan tan sa loob.
Official time out.
Ayan na. Masaylo naman ako sa piyak. Hindi lang tayo magtudo.
sa bag mo lang. Ito sa bag mo.
Di man ni magtudo ah. Why na ah? Tapos magbungko nyo naman ako kapag ambiyonan.
Ayan na.
Kita mong yabi at talang-talang. Ang mga dula naman ang...
Ayan na.
Why ka na di pa si Bangdan ha?
Ay, halang lipag ko. Kaya may lang. Birthday ko siya ako na. Sakon ka na doon pala. Tama yan. Tama yung mga ito.
Ambi is real.
Cellphone mo, basa.
Sis, ang kamera sis. Silo kami sa piyak naman. Liwat.
Yan mo man, 3 minutes man.
3 minutes naman? May sumpa ng 3 minutes ha? Na third quarter. Hindi naman ikaw na magtudo ako gabi. Tudo yan.
Todo ah. Pula pa.
Hindi maganda kayo may ampang tablano. Gaya kamukuhan. Ay, karon ma. Wala na, pwede na na ah. Dali lang yan.
With Food Panda.
Go, gabingit ako
Are you
naman ng
joining?
cellphone.
Can I join?
More of you? More to love at Landon.
Ang helmet ko gali. Paano ko malagay ang ako ng helmet?
Sa na rin mo. Sa na yun. Kita ako sa live.
Wala na lipat ko kung nila ako ng helmet. Kasi ba tirador? Pwede, o pa naman bangis. May gabi. Madama, yung ano. Bis ka magkusobra dito, wala ka. Segan eh. Ambi diyo. Ang ambi man lang din. Pamalo-malo ko mo. Gani, ang video. Gaga, ginliso nila kamera. Dagnas! Ang dagnas! update lang ko kung ano, manggit. Ma-update na sa kalam. Thank you, thank you.